Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Machine Learns, where we talk about machine learning. So in this video, we are going to learn about Pandas data type and how to deal with CSV file in Pandas. If you have not accessed my introduction to machine learning playlist yet, so go and have a look. Okay, let's start. Okay, so open the Anaconda prompt and type cd desktop slash project underscore one, that is our project directory. Click enter, and now we have to activate Conda. So to activate, type Conda activate and paste the path that we have copied and do slash env. Now press enter. So the base has been changed to our project directory. Now type Jupyter notebook and press enter to open the Jupyter notebook. It will take 1 or 2 seconds to open. So it's been open. Now here we have to create a new Python 3 notebook. So click on Python 3. So rename this notebook first. So to rename, click on untitled and rename it to intro to pandas. You can rename it to another name. I am renaming it to import intro to pandas. Okay, so the first code which we have to write is import pandas as pd. So this will import the pandas. So we write this to import pandas in Python, and we have denoted it as pd so that we don't have to type pandas every time. Now we will see the main data type of pandas. So any guesses how many type of data type pandas have? Okay, so the first data type is a series data type. So we will type series is equal to pd dot series, and we have to make a series. Series is just like a list in Python. So we type apple, bananas, and one more orange. So when we and after that we have to click shift and enter, and then we type series and press shift and enter. So you can see the series is being printed with the index number 012. So one main thing to know about series is the series is one dimensional. Now we can create one another series like name. So pd dot series, and keep in mind that in series s is capital, and let's take three name Ankit and one more Abhinav. So hit shift plus enter, and you can print it by typing name. So you can see the series has been printed. Now we have to see the second data type of pandas. So the second data type of pandas is data frame, which we will use more in the upcoming sessions. So let's see how we can create a data frame. So this data frame is mainly two dimensional. So type data is equal to pd dot data frame, and this data frame takes parameter like you can give any name, and the you have to print series name. It take the list, so we have written fruits and the fruits name which we have created in a list, and name. uh, so we have given the parameters as series and name, and the name of these parameter are fruits and name. So if you print the data, so you can see the data has been printed in the two-dimensional array. So this 0 1 2 is the index, so you can write data frame is two-dimensional. And mainly we use data frame in machine learning because we mainly deal with two-dimensional data. Now we will see how to import data in pandas. So we have a data set .csv file with this kind of data, so we will import it in the pandas. So this dataset will be available in the description, so you can download it from here. So click on upload and upload the dataset in your project folder. Now go to your notebook and type laptop is equal to pd dot read underscore csv, and give the name of your csv file, that is laptop.csv. You can use tab for that so that you don't have to write all the thing. It's help in typo error. So here you can see the laptop csv file is being printed here. So you can see the index, company, color, RAM, graphics, and price. So the whole data is been printed. Now we will see if we have to export data frame to a CSV file. Though we haven't changed anything, but for the sake of learning, we will just export this file only. So click on the variable name laptop.to_csv and give the name whichever name you want your file should have. So I am giving export underscore laptop.csv and then hit shift plus enter. So you will see in your home directory your export underscore laptop.csv is been created. If you open it, you will get all the details of your CSV file. So now you know how to import and export CSV file from pandas. Now we are going to re-import the CSV file which we have just now exported. So write a variable name exported underscore laptop, you can give any name, is equal to pd dot read underscore csv, and the file name, that is exported underscore laptop.csv. Press shift and enter, and you can print it by typing exported underscore laptop. So now here you can see there is one more column has been created named unnamed. So there is two indexes created. So how we can remove that another index which has been created? So while exporting CSV, you have to write index is equal to false so that it cannot make another index. Now again click shift and enter, and then again import the CSV file. So you can see there is no extra index there. So let's see what we have learned. So we have learned how to create series. We have created two series. Now we have seen how to create data frame. We have seen how to import data and how to export data frame as well. So that's enough for this video. In the next video we will learn more about pandas. So till then, goodbye.
Familiar, you're familiar.